Welcome to the Ultimate Deep Web Guide. I am your host, Morgan, creator and teacher over at deepwebacademy.com. I am so excited that you chose to join me in this course to learn more about the deep and dark web. Before we dive into the content of this course, I wanted to give you a brief overview of what you're going to need to actually use the tools properly. So let's go ahead and discuss what you need to use this course. The first thing that you're going to need that is pretty crucial to most of the stuff we do is two 4GB USB drives. And you'll need these to actually run Tails. If you only have one, that's fine for now, but to do it effectively, you're going to want two. And then, of course, you're going to need a computer, and it should have at least 2GB of RAM or more. More is preferred, but if you have at least 2GB of RAM, you should be good. And that computer should also have the availability to boot from a USB drive, so we can boot the Tails operating system. On top of that, you want to make sure you have an internet connection and the ability to download software. There's some software that we'll have to put on our Windows PC, but Tails comes preloaded with everything, but you have to be able to download that as well. And the last thing you need to make sure you can do is actually purchase Bitcoin. This isn't vital to the course, but if you actually want to go through the process of purchasing a product on the Darknet markets, you're going to need some Bitcoin. So if you have a little bit of money to purchase some, that would be preferred. If not, that's okay. You can just watch along until you can get that, but it's just preferred for the best experience possible. So if you have all of those things lined up and you think you are ready, go ahead and head to the next video to get a brief overview of the course, and then we will dive into our first section, which is getting hands-on with Tails.